wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and check out the notification button. Now, we have a WhatsApp group, and you can get that from the community tab. And we also have a membership section. Yo, me I bust a shot for Klansman then. Alright, 2 shot my boss for them. No, my wonderful people, I feel like Klansman them is the epitome of hungry badness and broke badness. But I think they have another one called named Looney Badness, because I am going over what's going on in the trial, and just to update and kind of break it down and give my analysis. They were working with a policeman, and the policeman was a go-to man. You understand? Now, them call the policeman witness too, kind of work with the prosecution. Now, the policeman has spilled all of the beans. Kind of say, yo, them slap where a deportee in a Spanish town, and my youth they were paid $8,000 for kill the deportee in a Spanish town. Now, him saying by 2 thief in car for go on another operation when him slap with a man outside a supermarket. And he must say, yo, a Blackman, Andre Bryan, order the thing. No, me I say, yo, Blackman are most one of the dumbest criminal on the planet to blow out. What was he thinking? We're gonna move on. Now, him have a little cursing catty there with him, and it seems like as she are driving around, and as she are go back and forth, because this witness where them a talk about witness to, and the policeman where them a work with, and the policeman decide to work with them. Now, I heard some other bloggers, like Politics Watch, say Klansman is looking for the witness them family. As far as I'm concerned, Klansman them are broke badness. Nobody now look for them. The one of them scatter and gone. A prison them a go. You understand? Now, going down the update, because this update just coming up about an hour now. It says that there was a murder of a Rasta man, a deportee who was killed in Spanish Town on Joe's Avenue, January 14, 2018. Now, and this was what I wanted to speak on this, because now, once the prosecution them have witness, but they could pinpoint certain dates like this, that's when you know you're in trouble. Because I could come to court and say, I have a gorilla on my back. Or elephant suck the oxygen out of the room. But if I can't prove that the elephant was in that room, I may have a 800-pound gorilla on my back. It don't make sense. So with these dates that's here, January 14, 2018, I'm quite sure the judge is going to take that into consideration, which they're having a judge trial, not a jury trial. And I you know, in them little small islands, when you're having judge trial, you can buy out the judge. But thank goodness, Blackman them are broke badness, are hungry badness. So it's not like them are the skink down of Jamaica a certain man, you understand? So yeah, they're more like cockroaches. So we have to kind of squash them out. So going down, they say Brian instructed the policeman to give the two alleged hitmen $8,000 to share between them to purchase weed and food. Now, and I don't want to sound crazy, but me I wonder, it seems like this is $8,000 Jamaican. And if that's what Blackman is doing, he needs to be in prison. Yo, you're killing people for pretty much $40 US, bro. Y'all stop with people for $40 US. You give the money $8,000 to share between themselves and purchase some food and weed. And the sum was taken out of the extortion money. Yo, and then you have a banker. You guys are some sick. Yo, let me tell you what you guys were writing. You guys were writing a script straight to prison. You guys are dummies. No, as I'm scrolling down, the policeman, which is witness to, said Blackman called him and said, yo, we are going to mash up that you up a super plus. The witness said him drive up at the supermarket with the three men and waited until the man who was outside the supermarket selling stuff was killed. The man is known as Satan and was alleged shooter of an intended target. This is crazy. Yo, this shit read like something from out of a bad novel. And I don't want to sound crazy. Let me shut my mouth. Let's move on. No, Mr. Brian, actually, the prosecutor asked the man why would Blackman need the man dead, and the witness said he don't, they don't give no reason. So altogether, the witness have pinpointed Blackman, the genius, Don from Klansman, who's brilliant, on 4 murders. He's going straight to prison. So, now, moving down the line, they're talking about this Kersey Stephanie. Her real name is Stephanie Christie. And them say she's a pastor. Now, look at the mix-up and calamity in Jamaica. Now, Stephanie Christie is a pastor, and you're working with the most notorious gangsters in Jamaica. You deserve to be a prison, Stephanie. So she have jail right now and she in the trial. They said that she was the one who drove Mr. Brian and other gangsters. There was a gangster they identified as Crooks to the witness house. And this witness, which is witness to, is the policeman. And as you can see, this witness is not holding back on anything. Let's move forward. The witness said the plan tonight was to slap with a man named Ice, who live in Instead. But who is Ice? Now them say Ice is one of Brian rival and top man for another gangster, the witness testified. Now, them asked the policeman, which is witness to, how him know Stephanie. And him say, yo, Stephanie come check him a couple times and she bring the big man, which are Blackman, and them purchase food, them sleep over in yard, and them do a bag of different recreational thing. You understand? At the end of the day, from what I have been seeing going through this trial, I must say the Jamaican police is on top of this. And like I say, if you can have a witness come to court who rolls with the defendant and the person getting prosecuted and can actually give you dates of alleged stuff that happened, oh, Blackman I go straight to jail. Also, the king of hunger badness, the king of broke badness, and genius, he's also a genius. This dude was writing a script straight to prison. And I just can't understand how they don't see this. No, they said the proceeding are being heard in 2 courtrooms with approximately 40 attorneys and 43 witnesses being involved in the matter, which is likely to span several weeks, possible months. No, this is crazy. Just from reading this, I know Klansman and Blackman are go straight to prison. But my thing is, Blackman didn't realize he was writing a prison script straight to prison. He's a genius. So this is my highlight, and from what I see, Blackman is going straight to jail, prison. The witness came and spoke. The witness gave dates and time when murders occur. The witness pointed out the curse scene and other people that is operating with Blackman them. So all I see is straight prison. And I must say the Jamaican police are doing a good job. Yo, this is my analysis. My name is COUNTRYMAN. Like, share, subscribe, check the notification button, okay? And check out the WhatsApp group. And also check out the membership section. Love all of y'all. Me a bust a shot before me go. And a shot ya after the Klansman them. A 2 shot me I give them. 1 more. And that's it. My name is COUNTRYMAN and I'm out. Peace out. Love everybody.